Hello, I've been asked to do a product review for the Scelto 2-meter garden parasol. Now, full disclosure, I get to keep the parasol for free, and there's an Amazon link in the description box below this video. And if you buy this product through that link, I will receive a commission. There's also a 10% discount code, so don't forget to apply that code if you decide to go ahead and buy one of these parasols. Also, full disclosure, I've made it very clear to the vendor that I'll be completely honest when I review this product, and they are perfectly happy with that, which is a great start. I can't wait to get inside the box because we are in the middle of July and temperatures are forecasted to soar to record levels. Let's get the box open. Now, where do you start when you're reviewing a product like a garden parasol? Well, I gave the matter quite a bit of thought, and I have got a kind of loose criteria, which I will come back to in a moment. Now, they've sent me a grey parasol, which is the colour I would have chosen, but there is also an ivory and a taupe version available. And I am going to put my glasses on as I take it out of this polythene sleeve and go in search of any instructions. I can see there are some instructions here. So there are the instructions, and I shall remove the outer sleeve of the bag. I have had a look at this product on Amazon, and the vast majority of reviews for this product are good. Well over 90% of the reviews are either 5-star or 4-star, and you can look at those reviews on the link in the description box below this video. I'm going to put my hat on because it's absolutely sweltering hot today. I can't wait to get this up and above my head. I'll just place the packaging here so that it doesn't blow away. There is a very gentle breeze. And have a look at these instructions. There's a customer service email address on the front, which is a good start. And they are pretty plain English in my eyes. It makes it clear that you should expect 2 pieces. There are 2 pieces in my box, and it also gives an overview of the instructions for the winder. Now, I know from the product description on Amazon that this has a tilt mechanism, and it has a winding handle to make it go up and down, and apparently they're easy to use, we shall soon see. The pole is made of powder coated aluminium. Now, I know aluminium doesn't rust, but the powder coating will protect it and stop it from pitting, and it will also keep it looking quite aesthetically pleasing as it is here. Again, when you read the description, it tells you about this air vent at the top, and that allows airflow, which prevents the parasol from blowing inside out in the breeze. Now, the ribs, of which there are 6, and we'll see them in a bit more detail in a moment, are made out of steel, which makes them slightly stronger, and they do make it quite clear that you need to buy your own base for this. Now, if you're using this as a standalone parasol, you need a 23 kilogram base, but if you're using it in conjunction with a table and a base, as I am, you can use a slightly lighter base. So the base you need if you're using it in conjunction with a table is 9 kilogram. I've already got my own base, and I've put it underneath my table ready to receive the pole. And we can see here that is sliding very easily into the base and just needs a little tighten. Now, this is one of those products which I think I would describe as intuitive and self-explanatory. The instructions are very simple and straightforward, and that's all they need to be. It's pretty obvious. It's a parasol with a base pole, and it seems to have a handle that you use to wind it up. Let's erect it and see how easy it is to wind it up and down. Now, it's not too heavy. My mum's 75, I think she could quite easily lift that. There's a little button here, pretty clear that that fits into that little hole there on the pole. Yes, it does. The winding handle under here has a circular dial on it with a green arrow showing it's clockwise to go up and a red arrow showing it's anti-clockwise to go down. Let's wind it clockwise and see what happens. And up it goes. Comparatively easy. I'm not having to exert a lot of pressure here. As I look up into the parasol, I can see a chrome button about the size of my thumb. If I press that, I can tilt it one way, I can leave it vertical, or I can tilt it the other, and it will lock in 3 different positions, right, up and left. I'm going to leave it in the vertical position for now. There's a little grub up here which stops you from over opening it, and I can see those air vents in the top which allow airflow and stop the parasol from opening inside out. Let's see how easy it is to bring it down again, anti-clockwise, and it sails down very, very smoothly under its own steam really, not exerting any pressure at all. And there it is down again, and I see here there's a little tie which you can wrap around and tie it closed. So overall, so far, I'm very, very impressed. Very easy to use, very smooth, no effort required, and it's gone up and down without any incident. So let's see how the Scelto 2-meter parasol fares against my personal criteria. And this is very much my personal criteria, and it's not an exhaustive list. You might have other things that are important to you, but in no particular order. I've got clear instructions, ease of use, robustness, as described, fit for purpose, safety, cost, value, fairness, and does it meet expectations. Let's have a quick look at each of those in detail. And the first one was clear instructions. Well, I have to say, they couldn't really be any clearer. They're quite pictorial. It really is easy to understand. It does exactly what it says on the tin. So that is a big tick in the box. Ease of use, well, you've seen me use it. It tilts easily, it goes up and down easily. It was easy to get out of the packaging and erect. Very straightforward. So again, a tick in the box for ease of use. As described and fit for purpose, it is exactly as described on Amazon. It is a 2-meter parasol with a tilting head and a winding mechanism. They tell you about the aluminium pole and the powder coating and the 6 steel ribs. They tell you it's nylon, and they tell you about the air vents. It 100% meets the description on Amazon. Is it fit for purpose? Well, yes, clearly it's a parasol. If I were to put it between me and the sun, it would stop the sun reaching me. I would say that it is relatively lightweight and designed for lightweight use. I'm not sure how it would fare in very strong winds, but then again, I wouldn't erect it in very strong winds. I would exercise common sense. Safety. The vendors are very clear about the fact that you need a particular type of stand to operate this parasol safely. I can't really see any gaps where you could catch your fingers. I wouldn't leave it in the hands of a small child. This is more for adult use, and in that respect I would say it's a safe product. I've written look and feel. I think it looks the part. It's pretty stylish. It's got sleek lines. I like the grey colour. Again, you can have ivory or taupe if you're not into grey. I think it's a good looking product. I'm giving it a tick in the box. And finally, cost, value, fairness, and does it meet my expectations? I would say absolutely it meets my expectations, having read the description on Amazon. This is exactly as described, and it meets my expectations. The price point for this product is around about £48.50. If you knock the 10% off, you're talking about £45. I think that's a very fair price for this product. So, Scelto, I'm giving your 2-meter garden parasol my thumbs up, because in fairness it either meets or exceeds all my expectations. Thank you for sending me this product and asking me to review it. If you're thinking of buying one of these using the link below, don't forget to apply the 10% discount code. And thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.